are the lab drivers. I'm Mo Hong, this is 𝗂𝗂𝘁, and this is 𝙍𝙤𝙗𝙪𝙥. I joined my first competition at 7 years of age. My teammates and I clinched 11th placing. I also participated in the RCAP CoSpace autonomous driving last year, where my team earned the Judges Award.
I started coding at the age of 8, where I learned at the Lab Singapore. I wanted to participate in this competition as I was inspired to try something new, and I wanted to test the limits of my abilities.
I was Mo Hong's teammate for the same competition where we earned 11th place. I am proud of myself and I chose to join this competition to see how far I can go and hopefully bag my first trophy.
We are participating in the CoSpace Autonomous Driving Challenge under the U12 category. For this presentation, we will be showing you our task, which is the maze map. For this map, we had to primarily use colors to correctly navigate our car from the start to the end. This is because all the turning points of the map have a differently colored floor. Thus, we decided to make use of the color sensor to turn correctly at each of the turning points. We will now show you the solution that we have arrived at. The car will start by going straight all the way, ignoring the fog at the start. When it reaches the first break in the lines, the color sensor senses the purple flooring and instructs the robot to turn left. The robot then continues turning at the various points using the different colors in the map. The robot comes across the differently shaded green flooring along the way. To make sure the robot turns accurately, we use the time variable to control it and when it should turn left and when it should turn right. Finally, upon turning at the last point, the car drives straight to the end point.
We kept coming across an issue where the car keeps turning too early or misses the turns entirely, as we had to account for the color floor steering way before the turn happens. To solve this, we use two separate laptops to test two different solutions. One is to turn sharply upon not sensing the light, while the other is to turn in an arc to the next line upon detecting the colored flooring. After much testing, we chose one and decided to add it to our code. How to use the ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacles? First, we manually drive the car to the obstacle and position it at the spot we want the car to detect and react to the detection. Then, we take note of the value from the ultrasonic sensor. Lastly, using the values, we take a +5 or -5 to use as a maximum and minimum distance sense accordingly, as the car might not always be able to sense and run the code at the exact distance wanted.
Which AI tools we use and why we choose them? We use ChatGPT because it is great for brainstorming ideas, solving problems, and generating pseudo code snippets. How AI help in solving specific problems or improving efficiency? Error checking help us proofread our project report and presentation notes, ensuring they were free of spelling and grammar mistakes. Over reliance on AI. At first, we relied too much on AI for our answers without fully understanding the solution. To overcome this, we made sure that we asked ChatGPT to explain its answers step by step, so that we could learn and apply the concepts ourselves. How AI contributed to our learning and teamwork. AI tools help us learn new concepts, such as how color recognition algorithms work and how to debug code efficiency. ChatGPT's explanations make complex ideas easier to understand. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.